we were solving this example where there are four charges. This is positive q, another one is negative q, third one is positive q, and fourth one is another negative q. So these are brought from infinity to form this kind of square shape, and we have to calculate the work required to put together this arrangement. Okay, last year we also did similar kind of example for potential. When we solve for the gravitational potential, we calculated the work done, and as I said last year also, that for first particle there is no work needed, for second the work needed because of this, for third particle work needed because of this second particle and first particle, and for fourth particle work needed because of this first, third and second particle. So hence there would be six terms first, then two terms for this second and third term, and three term for this. So three term one, sorry, this is fourth term, total fourth, and this one is fifth, and this one is sixth. So we need six terms for four particles. Three particles we need three terms, for two particles we need only one term, for three particles 1, 2 and 3, and for fourth particle we need total six terms. So this is similar kind of arrangement which we solved last year also. Only thing is that last year potential was gravitational potential. Now a charge q naught, after setting this thing up, a charge q naught, the charge q naught is brought at the center of E. So this is the center, and another charge is brought at the center of this square. The four charges being held fixed at this corner, so that means they remain is in this position itself. How much extra work is needed? So this is simple. First we have to calculate the work done in due to four charges, then fifth charge, another work done for this fifth charge. So let us solve this example. So now let us solve this step by step. So the picture is in your mind, so let me draw the picture once again. So this is charge positive q, this is charge negative q, and this is again charge negative q, and this is positive q. So four charges are there. The distance between them, all of them, is d. The distance among them is d, and one center is at this point E. This is point E, this is q naught, q0. Also last year also I told you that we have to make a square like this, A, B, C on this side, C not on this side. Either we go anti-clockwise or we go clockwise. So let us go clockwise, A, B, C and D. So this is our picture. Now we have to solve. Since the work done depends on the final arrangement of the charges and not on how they are put together, we calculate work needed for one way putting charges A, B, C, D. Suppose, so what they are trying to say, work done is not dependent on the arrangement, on the work done does not depend on the how we put it. If we bring C first, then B, then D, A, it does not matter. So it matters only on the final arrangement. Final arrangement is a square with side D. So this charge is positive q, this is negative, this is again positive, this is negative. So work done depends only on the final arrangement. Final arrangement is a square. So suppose first the charge q is brought to A. So we are solving in this way, A, then B, then C and D. So we are solving normal way. You can solve in another way, C, D, A, B, or you can solve B, C, D, A. So you can solve in any way. First B, then D, then A, C. You can solve in any way, but the work done would be same because work done does not depend on the way how we put this thing together. It depends only on the final arrangement, which is a square with side D. So let us start with this A. So work needed to bring positive q charge to A. So let us start this. So first charge is this positive q. Is there any other charge? No. So potential at this time is 0. So work done W1 is equal to QV, which is also 0. So this is here. So work done in bringing this charge Q to point A is 0. Okay. Now for the second. Now for the second charge. Now work needed to bring minus Q. So now we are bringing this minus Q. When Q plus Q is present at A. So definitely, so there would be a potential VA, okay, and we are bringing a charge this minus Q. So work done for B is equal to, so A was already there, this positive charge was already there, and we are bringing this another charge. So it has already a potential VA, and we are bringing a negative charge. So work done is equal to minus Q VA. So what is minus Q VA? This is minus Q. And for all other examples now onwards, after today, I will write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught as K. So whenever K is written, so the meaning of that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So now this minus Q, VA is simply K, and this is due to a charge at A, which is positive Q. So positive Q, and the distance between them is D, because side of this square is D. So this is D. So this is the work done. So what is the work done? See, minus Q, this K, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, this is K, this positive charge is Q, this is here, here, and divided by D. So this will simply becomes minus Q and plus Q, minus Q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught upon D. Okay, done for the second charge. Now for the third charge. So now what will happen to third charge? For third charge, A was there, B was there, now we are bringing C is there. So this is positive Q, this is negative Q, this is again positive. So what will happen? Total work done will have two components, this positive Q into this VA plus positive Q into VB. Okay. However, this VB is negative because of the negative charge. So what will be there? So let us calculate this. So W is equal to W, this C. Let us mark this as C. WC. So WC is equal to positive Q. This charge is positive, and potential due to A. Potential due to A is K. Charges again positive Q. So let us write positive. Now this distance, what is this distance? The distance has been changed. So this distance, since this is the diagonal of a square, so this is root 2D. This is root 2D or D root 2 plus this one, again this is positive. VB is equal to K, and this charge is negative, so minus Q upon distance is D. This distance is D. Now solve this thing. So again see, this positive Q is outside. For first this one is positive, for second one this is negative here, and there is a plus sign in between them. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is the constant, and this is root 2D. This is D root 2 and this one is D. So the total work done is in this WC is equal to, this one was 0, this is WB, this is WC is equal to plus Q, and in bracket this, when you solve it, there is this, when you solve this minus terms will come first. Minus term is coming first, so there is a 1, and 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught D is common, and then you are with minus 1 by root 2. So this is there WC.